right, so next up here, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at Connection Manager and how it interfaces with Secret Server. And it's a direct line right into it. It trims all your permissions and gives you a lens right into Secret Server from the thick client. Here's a look at it. So we're taking a look here, and what we have is all of our folders that we have access to here. I've highlighted on one called Favorites. And what we're going to do here is we're going to open up a bunch of sessions, start our morning off. So we're going to click the select all sessions. We could do this with recents and so forth, but I'm going to do it with the favorites. And we're going to do this for the process of speed and gaining access to all of our servers really quick. So I'm going to click the connect out here, and we're going to open up all these sessions. And you'll see them open up tabs up across the top here. And we'll come into these various sessions one by one and do what we need to do. So we're coming into the various sessions, gaining control. And so this is how it works within Connection Manager. We can also record sessions out of here as well and do check-in, check-out. Great client to use for managing multiple servers, instances via a tabbed interface. Okay, so thank you for watching.